This is the GoldWorld 7-piece beard maintenance kit. You get the beard oil, you get the beard foam, the beard growth serum, the beard balm, you get the comb, the scissors, and the brush. Then it has a user guide right here. Just tells you how to use everything. And then it has this bag that stores all of the items in here. Nice bag. It's got this drawstring here, so you could store everything up in there. And this stuff is just really nice, a really great product here. You can see it opens up really nicely. They did some really nice job on the packaging here. Looks really nice. It's got a nice GoldWorld. It's in the like a green lettering here. Just really, really nice high quality labels. So this is the beard oil. This just promotes moisturizes and promotes beard growth. This is the beard foam. This is just a way to wash your beard and just make sure it's clean and just condition it. And then this here is the growth serum. This provides vitamin nutrients for needed when you're growing your beard. So then you got the scissors here. Just nice scissors just to trim up any excess hairs that you want to get rid of here. You got the brush. This is just a really nice brush here. Just grooms your beard when you need it. It's just nice coarse bristles on here. And then you got this nice wooden brush right here. It's just got two different, it's got the fine and the other side right here. Just does a really, really nice job. This is nice high quality. You could store this in your pocket if you wanted to. And it just does a really great job here. So this is a really great kit. This is the GoldWorld Professional Beard Kit. You get 7 different items here. Highly recommend checking this out. It's a really nice put together kit. If you're getting it for a gift for somebody, the packaging, the presentation is really nice. When you open it up, it's packaged nicely. It's got a really great set inside here. It looks really great. So if you're buying it for a gift, it's definitely a winner. If you're buying it for yourself, it's some really nice high quality products.